If someone promised to turn $1,000 into $10,000 in a month, run. But what if I told you that $1,000 can realistically grow into serious money just by targeting 3 to 5% per month? No hype, no gambling, just math and discipline. Let's break it down. First, let's be clear. Professional traders don't aim for 50% per month. Most consistent traders target 3 to 5% monthly. Why? Because consistency beats excitement. If you make 5% on $1,000, that's $50 in month one. Not impressive, right? But here's where beginners underestimate the power of compounding. Compounding means you earn returns on your profits, not just your starting money. Let's say you average 5% per month and reinvest everything. After 12 months, your $1,000 doesn't become $1,600. It becomes around $1,795. That's almost 80% growth in 1 year, without insane risk. Now imagine doing that for 3 years consistently. This is how real traders build wealth, slowly, strategically, and sustainably. Here's a realistic framework. Trade spot or low leverage, max 3 times if using futures. Risk only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Use stop loss, always. Avoid trading during major news if you're inexperienced. Focus on high liquidity coins like BTC and ETH. You don't need 10 trades per day. Sometimes 4 to 8 quality trades per month is enough. Your goal is capital protection first, profits second. Because if you protect your $1,000, you stay in the game. And staying in the game is how you win. Most beginners blow accounts because they chase fast money. They use 20 times leverage, they go all in, they revenge trade, and one bad trade wipes out months of gains. Slow growth wins because smaller drawdowns, less stress, more consistent compounding, long-term survival. Trading is not about making money fast. It's about not losing money fast. If you want more realistic crypto strategies, subscribe to BitBlastCoin, because in this market, the patient traders get paid.